final na ekwo wi ase no na Chelsea the penalties and the you na ahwe players and esi akan mo say two teams no last time na Drogba won bi Mata e won bi Bertrand Kalu Lampard Mikel Obi Ashley Cole and Bosengo amunyina no Cahill and David Luiz na check Eda Poma 2012 na sa match no e money buy for the see ni no na players no gidam Edema Chelsea e wo hodom na go ko Bayern no so a Ribery e wo Muller Robin Gomez Cruz Schweinsteiger Lam Watson ene omo makika no ma no mu nyina agyegyam bia omo esi akan ede ma Bayern Munich na enye asam keto akrampo e wo hodom na wohwe Chelsea ene Bayern Munich omo match a e ba so na me adoma ene na say wohwe omo head to head na last time omo boy kwa 2020 na 2020 no ekwa wi ase na Bayern Munich etwa Chelsea e kan nan omo team ba ko na say we ene ensema efri Chelsea ene Bayern Munich match no eba na ene no enye asam keto akrampo e wo hodma we ene ensema efri omo aso ye abeka yensa ene na after say Madrid ene Marseille game ebe wi ene ye busa coach Xavi Alonso say adagule eye mistake e ma omo je board kokoshe no hu ni say no so hwe akola ne de owo mre bebre e de ma no board de obey mistakes or starting go well na so no owo mre pa e de ma na with time no omo nyina no ebetimi asua nyama bebrebe e de from busa say Jude Bellingham ene Camavinga so mo situation no say ene ten na Xavi Alonso e de tuja say na eye den pa say eno ano omo betimi asia kan ya me ya adoma Saturday no omo ye available bibia ekwa wi a omo betimi esi akan ede ama Real Madrid e wo hon ma we ene free coach Xavi Alonso enche abekensa na we ni ebusa Rodrigo say oni Mbappe no say na mo partnership no ese wo so no e pleasure e na nije pa so timi ni Kylian Mbappe wanya Kylian Mbappe one side one ne bobo no mo connection no e very very great combination so mo bocha bibia be koso kama e de na enra Kylian Mbappe e say 700 goal e de Real Madrid e wo UEFA Champions League ni mu Madrid for omunya mu 200 wins e wo hon ma we ene nsem e fi Real Madrid aso ye na Kylian Mbappe e wo Real Madrid no they say wa share 50 goals just one season just 1 year pa wa diro hono wa share 50 goals e de Real Madrid e wo hon ma we ene nsem e fi Kylian Mbappe e wo na this season no 7 goals na Mbappe wa share 7 games ana wa ball ana wa 2 assists to hon ma enema abrante no eye no edema Real Madrid ano ede papa masha se ede Ballon d'Or tag no 2026 ni de hetese chama wafa e hon ma we ede nseme for na no game ni sha se na Trent Alexander-Arnold won oja knock efri ma Madrid for hwe animu se bibia on betwa bibia no mo hu de player obetre fie eduru na ye fi onu ye ransom fufuro ma ede Liverpool any Atletico Madrid ene ede gbo ni ye busa coach and slot se Franveti oba hono still na ye hu no ase ne mode ense da enso ani sa ho na sei e na wo ka efasa so se hwe ono players bebe e wo hono ma omo da nyina go bi ntimi nya assist 12 enche goals bebe nti obia e ma player no ne ho ento no emfa ho ni sika ho da koto no obia ma ho nto no nya na so bie na on fancy akan emfa ma Liverpool e wo na we ni ebusa Virgil van Dijk se Champions League this season who ni se wo so hwe Champions League no ono confidence pa say enyoma ebekwa awie no no mo Liverpool no etimi age Champions League no edi esi omo na so no mo hwe ani mu say last season betimi age then so enyoma entimi ankoye anfa mo e wo knockout stage honma we ene nsema Virgil van Dijk ono ene ye captain for Liverpool no what the atuja Vincent Kompany ene o dey nsem bi atuja afa Jackson ho ebre mo kwa ko shia Chelsea ense Chelsea no Jackson a former player edema friends Chelsea honma ene Bayern Munich ene Chelsea Asia no mbusa say na Jackson hu ni say the training no good attitude or heard him say bibia ebe koso kama edema player no obebo no humodi bia say obia mfa pressure ento abrante no so na watimi deliver e wo honma we ene free Vincent Kompany wono ene head coach ma Bayern Munich aso ye abeka na oba ntibrem e wo YouTube ho Katache FM TV e wo YouTube Facebook also so Katache live bibia twabu ho no ma match na ne ebeto to dwani nyina no bibia e ho no ma enya asem keto akwa behu se ne bibia koso e ho no ma che se dwumedie sonko e wo behu bibia live e wo tibra Facebook live Facebook Katache live Facebook re Katache live and YouTube no Katache FM TV Kateche FM TV ni nyina no etwa gu ho no ma bibia ekoso kama e ho no na Real Madrid ana ehwe animu so omo player ye fe Nico Pass omo ja de kwan e ma ne kokomo no nyame ya adoma samanu mu omo hwe abrante no modern ma obo e de ma omo na omo hwe animu so omo de be piem e wo Real Madrid omo de be back na ba be si kan e de amomo ho no ma we ene amonone nsaba ye sakan na no pay e de ada ba be so wani mu ho na ye de fiesem no e to wo so den ewo hodo ba ye hwe Ghana for play Ghana Ghanaians a omo rem ewo Champions League mu omo si akan de mo various clubs a enja say keto akrampo ewo hono ma Inaki Williams ewo Atletico orem esi akan o Kamadi Atlanta Mohamed Kudus enzo ewo Tottenham ewo osi akan na Monaco so eye Mohamed Salisu wono so ewo ewrem Monaco a wono etwitwa wadre ewo Thomas Partey Villarreal omo so ewo mu bia say players yi eye Ghanaian players omo rem ewo UEFA Champions League ni mu a ene omo si omo kan de ede amom na ye rem ewo local league ni mu nsensem na nyame ya doma Saturday Gold Stars any JS Kabili match no etodwa den ewo ho no ma enya sanketo akra eye 3 p.m. ewo Accra Sports Stadium ana sa game yi etodwa ewo ho no ma enye asanketo akra mpo ewo ho no ma omo na ekojida Ghana dem ewo CAF Champions League ni mu a ye hwe anim se bibia be kono mo bo wi adeche a Asante Kotoko enso ne Kwara United so 3 p.m. sa enso CAF Confederation Cup a ebetodwa na wey ana ye busa omo CEO aye fe no Akwasi Edu say na take it home sensem no esitie Gold Star CEO a ye fe Akwasi Edu na ebusa say Champions League on base o makan e wa kan say na Champions say na take it home sensem no esitie ye ntensem o kai
the thank you that management of BBN and Asante would have for people of Accra is that.
Oh yes, I believe that
from there.
With
all the other areas we open it free for them.
Really?
Yes.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Why this decision?
You see, at this stage we need money, but the concentration is not about money.
It's also about the support.
The support. And we are not a team from Accra. Right. So if you want someone to come and help you, it shouldn't be a double slap.
Yeah.
But we feel that those that will be coming from BBN, majority can buy ticket and go to the.
Wey ene nsema baby any Gold Star CEO Akwasi Edu do tu jo si VIP no ana mbe charge fee ni kakrem na de akabia de free for all supporters. Esan say omo nsi omo akan ewo Accra baby any no mo si omo akan to mo support no enye sika no ana mo hia de mum ti omo bie ni free am obi a aba be support won ma obi enwuram ewo Accra Sports Stadium nyame ya doma Saturday next bibia enkoso emmom na yebusa ne say mo wuram ewo CAF Champions League mo focus nyina ye honom na mo ja league na ye ntensem a odi tu dwa.
I was thinking it.
Oh yes, I believe that
The theory, let me say, we should parade a team that would fit for the CAF assignment and also be strong for the local league. Because in this season we are not playing the CAF Champions League alone, and we are lucky to have started the Ghana Premier League before the CAF assignment. And our game against Bechem United was a tough game, and it's a game that have rekindled our energy for the Saturday assignment.
Wey ene nsema CEO Akwasi Edu for baby any Gold Star how to do our competition be mo bia no omo any abrede dede so ombeje ana so mbesi aka we eje CAF Champions League no enkwanti bra Facebook no so Katechie live on Facebook obenya ye kama na YouTube no so Katechie FM TV obenya bibia ahwe na Asante Kotoko nyame adoma Sunday ano mo ne Kwara United ade bo ni wa Accra na Kwara United head coach the friend Tunde Sani or the nsembia to dia wose wono so motimi any omo league side the friend very wolves omotimi survive e wo mo nsem a omba Ghana ha Asante Kotoko omba survive enti nsem o de tuja.
Now we have this, but I believe Asante Kotoko cannot do more than this. You see, if we can survive like this, I'm sure that we are going to survive in Ghana. They cannot play better than this as they play today. We had a lot of pressure, and we survive it, we are very sure that we are going to survive it.
Wey ene nsema abetodwa ewon ma coach no de nsema todwa se ono so betimi asurvive ewo wari goals for nsem de Asante Kotoko de on betimi asurvive mo hwani se bibia ebekoso e na weekend Ghana Premier League no ebetodwa obesa se Friday on e mediama ene Vision FC ene de be 5 PM sharp ewon ewo TNA Sports Stadium a enye Asem Ketu akwa na hohoi ene Young Apostle Saturday no 3 PM pepepe omo e de be hyehyɛ so e wo hon 11 Wonders ene Heart of Lions e de be bɔ ani na nyame adoma Sunday no Samates be trefie ene Kimfaisa e de apemani Bechem United ene Basake Holy Stars e de be pempem so Swedo All Blacks e be trefie ni Blue Chelsea e de abɔ ani Aduana be trefie ni Nations FC e de apempem so hon ma enye Asem Ketu akwa Dreams FC ene House of Folk 3 PM sharp na sageway enye Asem Ketu akwa na Asante Kotoko ene ba bia ni Gold Stars and Kadibe Siani na nso guache no e postpone na nyina ni se two teams nyina no omo rem e wa Africa akwa kosi akai e de ama omo hon ma we ne nsem efiro na Dreams FC head coach Wilfred Dormon and odi nsem bi atuja ahead of the defense say omo ne House of Folk gamer Dreams FC ene ombebo ne ntin nsem a coach no e de atuja
Oh yes, I believe that with the way the team played in the last game and having done some corrections, having done some view analysis on our team and also on House of Folk team. Yes, they play against Howard United. They seem to be very solid at the back, but we also realize that there seems to be some pocket of openings in their defense, and this is what we'll be trying to attack. Yes, you said it right that they have some top experienced players, but we also have some young, energetic players who are also ready to run them down the channel.
We and in Sema Dreams FC head coach, but they are to get ahead of the game was one of so many talented players. I know. Obey ni Musa Omobeya Jumano, and them no we and among captain Edim Kumayefeno Emmanuel Dankwa also didn't send me at the amount of supporters, and so be Amra no matter House of Folk game no. Obey did you master of
Tayachi, your call Pando, your Kosia Kwako winning at West Cry draw, but Yentunya de Anna, your next game against House of Folk, a home game, and young Kwankunya de Pewa win one day, the last in where we hope. So, me promise you almost said definitely we are going to win the game for them.
We and in Sema a fence striker, no, and I say. Captain for Dreams FC, but they are to just say Bibia because over here, some very nice game, no, and they are supporters, no, and when you run there, then send from you run from there, they go anywhere. I feel Konkon is a player away, with Sinaka, Ewo Bechem, and as we travel to Nene, Ewo Ethiopia, club by a friend, Wowalo FC, or and they say Okakosinaka Ghanaian players. Oh, Ramon Maho, and Okakosinaka, and on a Bekum Chelsea meant for the friend Kosi Soroto, and also Rem. Our Basel Youth Academy, I say, where we are quite a youth strong quite try as a BBR finance will room our Basel Academy one youth one man BBR air course of the day, and they are not enter cry and a blasters any Mali game no air course is a press conference. I would do any games after say on money chat a couple 1-1 on Komo Sonia the Dinara. And coach, head coach of Blasters de Otuado into a logic complaint. At the Ghana Football Association say and some Nayana fans any good so no any media no when the ninja whole crash say omo any bibi found that at no and also as somebody one mile way any and sema coach of Blasters Otuado but that come GF be nim how one be control fans and some more can there and the way a former player coach Otuado or the ama Ghana Football Asante Kotoko so ebesi akai ewo we send the medical cabo and CAF Confederation Cup no e because nyame aduma send take it home sensem nyina no aba nyame aduma me the home sensem nyina no e be go no the short code bi aba wo ba wetimi to take it no kama ewo hono ma we ene nsem efra Asante Kotoko aso ye aba beka yensa ewo hono ma we ye hwe ni mu se bibia e be ye fans Asante Kotoko supporters e duru hono ma mon kwahye park wo ma na ye last story e dituja bi ejiba manya me ba ni team ato so e na no pe ewo hono e ye former Asante Kotoko player the fell Richmond Lamte say ne wo remu Libya out hide e ho say ho wo free apa FC e wo Rwanda na rem e wo Libya e hide and they say Richmond Lamte wo remu a okwa kosi da kan so ma sign kama mo veli na we ene nsɛm efi player no aso yɛ abɛka yɛn sɛ ana ɔpɛ nti wei ene nyame ba nsɛm a yɛboaboa no ɛna ɔpɛ yi ana yɛde abaso mu ɔkatakyie 90.9 FM na ɛyɛ Aferi Community Hospital ene sɔ yasere ɛma yɛde bibia yɛde bɛ ɔtɔ yare nsɛm nyinaa no rem ɛwɔ Aferi Community Hospital sɛ wɔde wɔhwere obi bia na yɛ ɔyɛ rem ɛwɔ hɔnom ɔmbɛhwɛ ɛde ho dwuma kamakama ɛde ama wɔ hɔnom a Aferi Community Hospital deɛ wɔyare ho nsɛnsɛm nyinaa no brɛ ɔmo nkyɛn ti fɛ number wei ɛna wɔn nsa bɛka 0240 176502 0240 17 which is 176502 0240 176502 obeja Aferi Community Hospital na wo ne omo edi djuma kama na yare hu nsensem nyina wo de chinchi na won san ka nyina no omehwe na o masa wo yare nyina no edi amana KK People Roofing so na eso ya se na je se oka ho bi na edi djuma di ababe so ne sports papa ebegu ani ma na no pay eti o pra won chance papa Alozink roofing sheeter grade 4 grade 5 grade 6 nyina no won sa ebeka bi IBR roofing sheet IBR nails, roofing nails, ordinary nails, 3 and 4 inches in Yano. When Sir Ebekebo headpan, I hold to a wheelbarrow. I say, what the year you bet you that you must 10 years. Nabibia again on the headpan, M1 more pay, Bibia Kabakaba Hono, on my hair, no mamma, do on my mother, do Jumasoko, Ewa Hono, no more a walk. Traffic light on myself filling station and they opposite to on my wood on my open chance papa their board as well. Obey say oh passetti and hini baby any patamo yina twice and the baby wo yina so number 1 number 2 Koroban Kwanta when you remember a walk say opposite self filling station maybe a traffic light on obe who KK People Roofing ewo honum na owo be chip tepa go so a chirensia hwidiem Kenya say that there so about totoro so a nyina road oni chirem e won ma to ye carpenter na oba obetimi aba na no ma di komo hon ma bibia e be ko so kama so person tu do up am no betra say no ma no yi komo no bateti bibia so kama e di ama no mo na bedi die 0243 2255 255 309 0243 255 309 me say su bi 0243 255 309 KK People Roofing sheet there and any papa page say you heard him the bibia e be kama did you remember yeah there see enti Katache live no Facebook so Katache live
sa pepe
do the obio Facebook da oko search engine
yes
search that so hold right side hold
yes
type it fashim Katache KATAKYI and for o dikai
okay
enye Okatache eye Katache
yeah
that dey confuse ba for pa ben for 0 edikai da o ikai AKAT KYIE
yeah
now the line that's also LIVE ibia
enye Okatache
eye Katache
okay
eti da ba
right
ya ba dey yanko e ba gye so ti e dey asi
okay
Marmoush. It's a long way out here. That's a stunner! Oh, Marmoush! From downtown to the back of the net. And nobody was expecting him to score from there. 7 goals in his last 8 Premier League home starts for Omar Marmoush.
Be the champion, take the field back. Unify us, make us champion.
da bia be ka kire wo se ade papa de papa no eno ene to ne ho papa no na eto ne ho eno ye St. Louis Ventures na tie ye see open Technophones open Infinix open iPhones no papa be pa na wo pe oh Pro and the Pro Max ni nyina no do bi a open bi o say iPhone a launch iPhone 17 na be the first to know say Louis pe e hope na abega bie oh yes galamsey boys no gi say iPhone ala nche no makoto bi ampa ya ye ni gala so yeso ye betima koto bi amana ye yie eti phones papa de ono na kofa ba no manfo na betu afiri de ho da bia be ka kire wo eti afa na be ma ana baywa ubie wo shop obeton phones obeton phones accessories phones ne waka de nyina no that is chargers headphones earphones earpiece bibia eka phone covers phone protectors nyina St. Louis Ventures na mesi afiri sa abere kwesi December no promotion nti bra betu bi koto na nya wo fa so fa wodi tie St. Louis Ventures ati ase na de tie die yesi se no se wo ba na obetu ya phones ni bi kokoto na se wo aside se wo se nya wo fa so no ye che wade ai de Louis di abado do de Louis di abado no o se ye che wade ati ase eti home appliances kettle blenders irons fridges TV sets computers air conditioners de open be a washing machine St. Louis Ventures ho de beba obi aboso de kodu djuma eye papa fi say ye de ma no ya crowd straight de ba enkosi ba bia de akutu de tie de say enkawe I vie kwa no so ye shop ba ko ho aw sanso na agogoso o ko nyina hira agogoso frade ye bra agogoso da ho ho no ye de be ba nkwai chop bar no e de de buhwe se o ko nyina hira di fa so wo firi nyina hiri so ba benkum so ye de be ba nkwai chop bar de de buhwe ho afei enkawe ho so Adum House, that is Dr. Kwaja Shinho, and they are popular pa. Adum House, the Abrosade Siwono. First floor, St. Louis wo ho. Na ma me fa wo ko St. Louis hardware so yi. De atia ne se, enchance ye papa, RBS, Eurotiles, Aluzinc. Me ya na Eurotiles ni bi na me pefi se no I had to say concrete ni ahihye ne kakra. Ena long span kala bia ope say ebidu baba long span no ya kala na so ensuo to kakra bia wie boy ya na epa se Louis ye say ye de factory operators no e deal direct it ye just straight from factory de ye papa de twa de brewo sa de tie na hwehwebu ya so say ebidu bo eji chance ni gu ha na say ye de agesa chance no gu hom fi apem na agi gu oda besa dia e de na hu hia be de hia St. Louis Ventures yes ba bia wo bia wo be frɛ ye no de bebrew makoja ofiri sika nso a frɛ de agye hyehyeye tua ne kakra efi awrafo dai e fa kosi agenti bia so ba de buo pabra St. Louis why na ye de be ye ho djuma ye dia ba frɛ CEO e was 0241 90 76 00 0241 90 76 00 0241 90 76 00 eno aye St. Louis Ventures uba YouTube this one Katachie FM TV and so uba Facebook aye Katachie live na bibia so koso kama Media Louis ara pere chiao odi abusuafo nyida na bibia achivi akoso kama ye rabu akrata bu sesia na fe dia waro so ye dia toa wo so dan krata de bu nsem ni nyida Mega Enterprise na so ya sere na no so oba ye tumi e de ebrawo Mega di ye hia no kasebabo sa Mega di eniema wode aba krobo aba omanfo de wato obo do nya agro o se wo pe liquid soap papa dia eye Mega Enterprise me pa cho tie Shargel ana Savlon Mega de no kokofa bi de ba ya omanfo no betu koto ya obuja amfaso no ɛno ɛyɛ Mayguard Enterprise ɛno yɛ Mayguard Enterprise enti mepakyɛw sɛ wopɛ liquid soap papapaa wopɛ ɛyɛ power zone na Mayguard deɛ no wɔse tie o sɛ wo tiles no so ayɛ basabasa oh ayɛ sɛ deɛ yɛare na akye bi efi na keka so na woyɛ ne hwie yie yɛse wotɔ yɛ liquid soap ne kakra na wɔnyɛ power zone ne bi na wɔnyɛ Dettol ne bi tie da mekyerɛ wo yo ne bi yɛnsa no wohwie we kakra gu nsuo bucket mu half na wohwie we kakra bia kakra akra ɛno no ɛyɛ 3 in 1 na deɛ ɛyɛ ne sɛ ɛnam sɛ Mayguard no nim deɛ ɔyɛ nti no ebia chemicals de bia wɔ deɛ ɛyɛ na tie wobie bia akra de franso ne wie a bobogu tiles no so wo de bobogu so saa tɛ yɛ WC na bobogu so ɛyɛ wo sink na bobogu so wo base na wo horo adeɛ wo no bobogu so jade bɛ 10 minutes wo ba fa nsuo kɛkɛ wo horo ɛno ano no etu fi na sese ya etu da se na wei na wonya yɛ wash yɛ fɛ sɛ yɛ shower gel no bi na de dware ɛde de bɛyɛ wo sese yi grofo de body splashes ɛyɛ yɛ asɛm efi sɛ Mayguard shower gel no ɛyɛ adwuma ne nyina edi yɛ asɛm ama yɛ frɛ Mayguard ne bɛtu bi kɔtɔn sesi a ana open no krokro a baabi a wo bia no so yɛ delivery 0241 51 2362 0241 51 2362 0241 51 2362 ɛno ɛyɛ Mayguard Enterprise ipacho binko na afei yɛmfa aropɛi ɛyɛ ɛnkrata mu nsɛm fa brɛ Senior Mugabe good morning
remember morning
Senior bibi abɔkɔ
adomni ahweye
yɛde yabe ase
Kristo nti
adwuma ni nyinaa so ɛno ana woyɛ yi o adwuma ni nyinaa na woyɛ woyɛ adeɛ paa
aneaba
na agya deɛ ɔma yɛ ntakra no so mu yɛ duo King Eben ɔno so ɔhyɛ kyerɛ ɔmpɛ kasa bebree wokasa bebree ana woha no woha no adwe wotuatua no so enti ɔno ɔmpɛ kasa bebrebee mmom ɔno deɛ ne sɛ adwuma nko a ɔbɔ adwuma nko a ano introduce nneɛma foforɔ na biribiaa yɛ fine enti ɛno ho nsɛm ɛno no King Eben yɛda ase katakyiɛ no ati pɔna no fm abasɛ da rosary sini ate sim na yɛkɔ na yɛfa kata mu sɛm bra
nyame yɛ adom a ɛna no ɔkyena mo sɛ deɛ ne ɛkɔ brɛdwe wɔ ha deɛ ɛsrɛm yɛ mo update yɛ na momehu deɛ nnɛ ɛnkasɛnkasa no ɔkyena kasakasa
yɛate ne nyinaa no wowie yɛayɛ de bɛto fam
fantastic
krataa ne nyinaa wɔ ha
fantastic
yɛse bɛmpia a ne nyina bɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu ai ne yɛho na da yɛ no gu so kɔ so de 3 yɛsa anaa ɛdɛ de 3 tete update ɛdɛ okay
ɛwɔ fam ho
okay ɛso bɛba okay ɛne Senior Mugabe na te bɛyɛ kwae
onyamba mu ɛda ase yɛnsa nkyɛ katakye 90.9 FM matiefoɔ nyinaa ɛberɛ so ho sɛ ɔwɔ akratan dodoɔ no a abɛdwa so no nyinaa no yɛde ɛmu nsɛm bɛbɛdan katakye 90.9 matiefoɔ mede daily guide kɔ wɔ akratan no na ɛhyɛ aseɛ na daily guide kɔ wɔ akratan no hu nipa mako nan bi a amuda kɔ wɔ akratan anim na ne nyinaa ne sɛ gold board for abɔmmɔden akye wɔ mo anam suspect sɛ ɔmo yɛ akorɔmfo awɛmfo a ɔmo bɔ mmɔden a awia gold no 1 million Ghana cedi ɔmo tam na ɔmo de akɔ India ni bi ka ho ne nyinaa kata no ɛbɔ ho ama ne bogɔ so de presian so saa na ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ ne nyinaa ɛno so almost $1 billion ɛho nsɛnsɛm ne nyinaa gold ho nsɛnsɛm na ɔhwɛ kata na se ɔwɔ bi a Catholic bishops wɔ yɛ nuanom asɔfoɔ Roman asɔfoɔ mpanimfoɔ a ɔmo nyinaa maka ɔmo ho abɔ mu ɔte nka bɛyɛ nka aba no declare state of emergency ɛwɔ galamsey nsɛnsɛm ɛno ɛso na state of emergency ɛna dodo na ebusa sɛ ediclare ɛbɛboa ɔman no deɛ ɛno ne dodo asɛm yana dodo na ebusa na yɛwura adutwum a ɔno so pɛ sɛ otu franka ama ɔsono amanyuku MPP Ragberi ɔno so ka ho bio no sɛ deɛ ne campaign no deɛ ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo de wahyɛ aseɛ ɔyɛ no kakra saa sɛ de bia bibia ebisi akɔnkan pa ɛde man wei ɛne nsɛm de daily guide ko wakata ɛde aba edwa so ɛnɛ Donya ko wakata no akenkan ya obeti ase yi pa.
Yeah, the Ghanaian publisher to also and anopay wo honoma. A krata said the book was on sensem na no. And ya oman nya hu yi a Ghana betimi alusiska. Yes ka keto $1 billion Ghana cedis. Any izo. And no the Jumayfo na wo honom no. And ho sensem no and say akwa ba ti na nyabeba wo hu ase do nketia yi na wa launch no.
There be a tall.
Would like the video? Would you video? Nibi
Tall.
And you told Naga didn't carry a video with their launch.
Okay.
Would you be?
There be you.
Oh, and then send them.
Pass them in the send them.
They say, as our presidential ambition. They say, well, launch it to her. And just and get to her.
And they say, I know they say a month for a month for I shall say, Kikasa. And I was saying, and look, I said, we need power. I said, Mimpe. About 2 o'clock. Was it one year? Julius the Bramin, chief of staff. Now, month for 2 seasons. Yeah, Yamea Duma, 2028 in the NBC for Yanaka. Okay. I said, what I say, position there, never say never.
Personally, I said, it is me. Say, already I said, you get your back 2028, and this is very nice. I'm telling you.
I started to thank you, Tono. I was at the heat, Kakra. Abba, you say, I started as a brochure. General, no, go for feeling the form. Hey, General, get ya. Me say, go for feeling the form. They be a Mekasa, we say. Sir, Mr. Your political sees. Yeah. We now do free hold. Obian will come close to see get ya. General, bet to me. General, bet to me. Second, to me breaking 8. Yet to me breaking 8. Say, obedi. 8 years, you wait maybe 12 years. You pop out home, bet me, yes, I yes, you don't get here. Who is our what's a grouse? There's the guy that published and so on. MPP and the blasted police, technical university. Omoye you. Tamale technical university. Omoye demonstration by police no. ETC mo Ekoko hon ba say. MPP for na air blasted police say I don't know omoye students no. Enye kurati we any sema the Ghanaian publisher e dey abetu dwa ina do pay. Oga.
The Ghanaian publisher, and the new publisher who work out on earth. The new publisher who work out on earth also. I'm an about medical boy for gold, smuggle gold na. People makuna be India for me to become one common pediacono. That and also say bon amani ever have been. He said, I'm a good body, US American. He said, yes, I'm better. We are rough over them. I said, don't get here. Before you decide, then will be. That's a panic over said, get here for presidential 2020. And he said, yeah, I say, I'm on for twice as yes. Meaning, I say, we said, get here. Say, also political ambition 2028. Also, be on my penny be a they say, I'm on for as I say, air papa. One anchor. I'm also a presser or move communal. You were saying, get here, you know. Madonna, who put and council, you're ready to get to Banzua. Said, when I'm back and I follow Edema NDC, Amanu. Now, University for police force and some Zena, many Odias and Bon Mane, the Ghanaian publisher Muno, and also Katan as a bon Amanewa, a university for Singapore for many police for Tocano, and also Ejimud and Dina. We are Katan as well, a lodge for so number only Momo. Mamma Mamma, Uncle for Nomina, it's almost 80 million HMO, Menshia, efficacy, Niura. And so ekusuye ana kata no ebon amane ewa ha when some of the publisher the new publisher ko kata no e dey eba abon
the Daily Graphic and air 12 so and now pay I said champion bogas any ka boy amane say Catholic Bishop for no omo say omo call state of emergency that I'm saying refer to us that kata anybody that president and the hanu na then you good come see him come ni nyina say big push project no say ashase eno na launch ya bejo rosa e was say what under big push no e start it say o matwa ho mu a yes o de be ni nyina no o aye you no nya character ni bia okay kan ya beja di na biniri yes had it biniri na whole and sensem na course no enkura 5,000 school for enkura mu go school 8 children 5,000 e wo They want to go school. They say schools 44 schools in there are shutting it down. They less them. Say as room you read out of car. Say bottom baby. And I could ababaka. Now, cut out the barber. They say air pollution. They say, and they are top killer pa. They say air pollution. Say I take you over HIV and malaria. Steady as your hurubida. And they are to just say, you know, air pollution. And say, maybe another say, we baba. The casa I be over. That is about very graphic to join out of pay.
The Chronicles go walk out town, but someone made the air twas so. John Dramani, same say at California, at Jaku Waka telling him, din, and say, was a $1 billion big push in Ashas. I shall see a papa. I shall say that. And young friend never shall say big push no at $10 billion. No, we are young for my Ghana president and John Dramani Mahama. Say, I see. He said, Ghana, Ewa Hutumpa. Sansona Blue Gold Fonsa and some Boko Suru Pristia for. They said, and yes, I'm good too. They said, I had almost $1 billion. And then someone I was Ecoso, who said, acting CG. You don't find a woman maybe and Concampana. Casamafo Edema era, Educum. And was it said, you campaign idea, and crank, Mumbo say, the Shadiananti. Away and some of some cool work out and Eddie Abab.
The Guardian ties that they told us gas did they on my cat and a big push in one Samara. But the Tujana Walker sat him a year no host said dotty, you know, a sacred dotty. Summer year, of course, a mamma de Amandia, air cost a choguno. In fact, a fair liquor has him who's a photograph TV. A said the Yoma is equal waiting your by any one confono. Communia be dear Kazakiu, on my way, and it's about the Guardian. And I see on the bar, they say, independent walk room junction, good crash. The KB a crash in walk room. I say, independent. I feel my home. I said, my friends say police there, a very tamale technical university, Sona, a way the Guardian ties and some other.
The Metro Lines go walk out and River Johnson, a serious Katia, or and a church opinion or Dema and this American for you at the Animu Kakaka. Thank you to your okay, and the Asamabo and Nama Monfasa sell to William Zera. You as a serious Katia Apple Mampenedi. I think you need to know much. And so Tessa, and was all thank you to Nemo opportunity in the about Besum. Because doing said no about the NDC General in Chama in this area and number 2 no 5. So we saw Konya Banabetuna. Obefa na yebra sabi jamfi na pound for gold board for say the 120 million Ghana cedi omo de ato nipa makoma na bi o man wan sen ko mbewie gold de adwane no say the ensa kan won mu a mo amba bua no nso no sika wi wo say iti bommo de a na ye chama ya ka me say na de waka tani na yewra adutwum minim ona na pound for na de say the waka tani ya ka me say ni na o de ni na ye the campaign na wa sha ase a oye no yewra adutwum the campaign there also on they say the amount for ye gidigidi no anya de obebi one day baba modin akọ no bako pim say obeduru baby a ọkọ na me hu yewura Akufo-Addo infoni nso da ase ho baby say Akufo-Addo list condolence visit to Apostle Kojo family na ni nyina ye yewura ebibiwan nsoroma yewura na Addo Danko Akufo-Addo enka ne on na eye mangana ye president she say the on so bo anako Apostle fie any ebusiafo no ma ebusiafo no yako kata no ebo ma so nya kata no bia kata fe to so insia okay nkan ya obeti ase yi
yeah the new crusading guide and I to also another pay a good board host and seminar no e go fu bi on person dey galam e mo dey go di be fast here e di kwamo no dey dey ya to mo say dey boga e di abo amade da na say this person be dey ka na we kata dey correction dey ade ade bebre and mo be ya mo retract here paper manfo ache wana I say the president before you dance on say big push you know region be no be in the film no mo design big push they say region be e be jado so and then the way and then say the new crusading guide and by the board about to do that
the delegates go walk out no o share ni mo foreign affairs minister Iro Kujeto Abrako Anokton MP ni fo ni mu kama planti kono kula no kumi no mo fe pa because the phone you kama pa ni na say was here presidential jet no sai dada yanton foforo adai sai dada na man yentimi nsu a was here ton a mfumso bi anu na yehwe na yemfa entofofo obi busa se yewra mahama ai o mampanyin ase se o tie adwa so edi enti na ne galanse sensam na obo ho amane se oba galanse no di enti na se de oba ye na ontimi endi hu dwuma obi ebusa sa ni na ye dem ba ko mienu bi a ekoso ewo na mamunum na ese orun katia ya samu ena de mo a odi azamba o ma dwen se o mo bekọ for 2028 ni de e ka won na ga ese orun katia to no go na go ajai se de ebo mu pa kata no ebo hu amaniesa na Ebra Martin Amidu obi ejale abronye so abronye sensem na Ebra Martin Amidu enka no na ye
OS special prosecutor
OS he said the abronye sensem no ono so de na no where is the delegates ubakata and abedja so ene ano pay
ya de Punch Africa and the air so and that report mo se do kwankwa na bekira o mo bra ne do kwankwa and the bejana and se be gukira ta ni mu de se enya asem keto akwa foreign minister and ono wa mo na manfo e call say that deportation agreement na mo ne US for person mo ye unconstitutional say wa reply o mo a uja krata no krata e to so inu da okay kai Punch Africa na be huja we sponsor or the ama e manfo e wo na krata na ni mu da Medina e ba ba say Medina MP adonate motorcycle and the street bomb and the ama first assembly say obetibi and the boost security on sensem and one agric minister hey yes 900 excavator even say pumping machines are overseas omo dey about for ekuafo some of am and obetibi use the here there omo fa ko ba go fi mo 900 pumping machines are almost from a galamsey for omo dey about ekuafo
na say Robin Peter to people
it's omo some of am go high omo dey
Robin Peter to people. Na akuafo no yo mo na egalamse.
A good idea there but
see akuafo no yo mo na egalamse no.
Ewe de beti akwa kwasie. Da vice president de nana e dey say ya body jase heba. Jase hede e wo kia say de
jase ma say
jase heba. Ba hede to heba. De ya body jase ku jaje say e wo bada Rickett Hagen wo no e dey deputy majority leader. Ewo ye parliament we say ono LED ECOWAS delegation omorem amoko so in ewo Nigeria chese bibia ekoso oda ekunfi MP so that akate sword ABC district police command chese omorhwe ababa mo so na good board host and say one so that the daily
analyst go waka time sa gold board mun say semia ni Ebra Johnson say don ketia enso de na so na ebo mama na the custodian go waka time no asemu eno de on do masini pi omo se nyame ya dum afi pinu no de no wotwe Ebra Johnson say don ketia NDC for na Ghana for ina hwe no oba sanso na ya asantememu a NDC mebuno mo hanso no say de enadum office ba bia yeso omo agiafa sanso na Tamale Technical University na mo school sensem ni adanda no nyaba penti no omo sha se omo se na oni police bo mpuni kata no so ebon amane wa weni sema the custodian ko waka ta na dia bedwa so enne anno pay
daily analyst and I say they to us that I say look at as on the I know I do ho as a president now be a report they say on was say thank you turn on
Kroma
I say look here when I say
was it thank you turn on on ka say o compensation
na omo maka omo de omo to sisi omo sa
ya say wa on dey na wa ya o
thank you we go na sa chama
that's thank you to we
thank you na sa chama are asante ai amanga na mu ai chama for you no don ona we na chama na ko sra na yi no
aso
agenda pa
oyanga da bi ona me de Ebra
Johnson na mo ko she show so a o se delegate o se assemblyman
na amu de say ni to hene for no amu de to mo nke he o wa mo ni amu ya adwen
eti daily analysis say what about to generate
am te ozay
diga record say for moi
me musician from Amrantian baby General no ozay
at the age only
anya ni age 70 na me wani was na nkasemu
na Ghana no
NDC mu na wani
papa
ise wo montete nkwala ne bi
papa
o montete nkwala ne bi omo kwala na kwanya
okuje to no mo ho
omo kwanya
experience
akoya metro man ye first communications
Sam
George omo sa kwanya no na wo nya mu na na omo no se ya wo are to omo so ya anu hye
champion Eben we brutal.
Yes, I was saying
video na no
yeah. So do I thank you to I am to say thank you to
this video when they can buy. Yes. I think see I thank you to the buy.
Yeah,
I charge for CS.
Then I was you too.
I no hye.
What's it?
O man kwada ni bi. Na ka se me dem trim besin de. Ono na omo na omo gu aduane so. Omo se sanam gu no so a. Was na na masesa na bebrebe mimidi ewu mo fa ma omo edi anyini no obeyi no achicha ma yen kwala egu na sinina
e do dem na Facebook live ka te
bia o ye peja kwala no
ya tie ne say me say general penu obi a say constitution ma kwa say obi do 2 times we a otimi di 3 times a
no kwa za do
one no kagana for me to man I'm telling you this man
eno de menu no nya
reverend me say general Ghana ha
no
why popular chair sitting president
no ka make an say and then wonya meye you
ana me chair say general ba
chairman no different from so betna sa akonya kesi isu
ha ho
ena akonya kesi onya betna so a ba chaw nya wonko a o
ha ho me say ha ho o qualify
oba ni nyuma oba na betre the next day you know obekọ se de o kana sa to ka se oba nko ade obekọ de ende me nya
ana general ba nko be titintia okay yemie
area dia odia sempa amfa de Accra Times go aga se to so
Johnson na see dum ket
odia me see akota tutu
bi ja
mu bro mu boy tan tutu na
ne appearance aka se le fie se je o aka se opia
e ntem me ka se osusu no nkwa
wo na obia o se ma obia tire na mu se no na ma ye group na obia
se ya
ye ba
se ya
o si for ba o ti o
yes secretary habla for no say when they must so ade e try ya wada odi pi
o si for ba ti o
ba make asem ba ko fa se
ya mbali na kata e ya kro sani na kata
ma fa se do get asem we
ma fa we nta to na e yera pola foku okay so ya mbawni no kai te se dia
that's not
afutu ba ko pe kata ni se mi na ko na meka afutu ba ko pe o te se MPP for pa ho sha se big grassroots
and one
case die almost as if free
I mean I said
I didn't want to case die ibi azu free form ibi free form enye
start from grassroots
adi bi free form
no say wo form no ai
omo na wo ye omo so we interest o fana sam ko o no ye dey o interest
na so mo suspend
e dey no ye suspend
mo say
o brand ye didi
o say sam
o dey our politics o dey our union politics
everyone know any
yes ni me nyina na e no
say me ba nye ni me nyina na e no ko odi ko hen
to an go be ya
na say ya suspend no nya dey dia na say aduma wi ya suspend
sisi ya me wa hai se me nyi fi se me nyi bibia manager dey aduma mra di me yeye na suddenly me ni mo hwe me nya hwe like
now you say nipa so bet me piapia wa ma bra wo so dey onya say obetom lan so ato
so what to the other day you we got to the other day
I'm chemist channel no so
you go to why dey
are you
that yamba people na ba ko ha no ba mu nsem no ma me mo no pa
body party enko
that ma me fa first republic no
okay
and dutum o se ma first ba omia wa so che opa bia pagana fa che for economy now ye no the education what we yi etenya won
abedon bombo abedon bombo ba say the omo abedon mo
a ka sa me video ni fita
abedon mo na me so no nya
wa bia ka sa no o pagana fo nyira achew e wo mistakes am ye dey am ye ye ho te omo anya ade ti gana fo nyira afanye dey emfa ebugo odin eyi na na do credit ye dey free no amfana nka ho te chopa no amfana nka na we
adutu nso din
ada adutu ebe ka che ni say ono education sector no ye ni eto ono o pa ne chewa on pa Ghana for chewa ono na economy na ono say no enye ono na boga Ghanaian point
YouTube no crowd here mo fa ni nyina nchen
Ghanaian point we and say na Calibus of one say omo call for emergency a state of emergency to Galamsey no so na so mo call emergency no to Galamsey no so a kata na egba ma dey say 11 regions and ɛna 4 million people out of 16 the level ranges on Hobeka. That out of 14 million people they at risk. It is what called state of emergency. How much? Because there are some president Mahama they to the job. So munya security agencies no. No more national security no more anye enye ho adwuma ewo ho no ba ɛna CDD4
okay
ɛna da beto dwa sɛ ansa na betimi awe in the presidential seat no obeboka ejes kakitu $200 million and
$200 million okay
papa no kasa no it was a threat to democracy
okay tie kan de obebo
Canadian
still be no more sponsors there there what do you fancy na ye dia kan si na Mugabe yan kele na
yeah okay gata mi semenya ya ko besani na ye the ba na pede mi interest ba nyame ade mo chena
okay
semo an general bre wan die uma ye hunu se mi tie chena me kukuru ma na se me nko
okay
se me kwa na me hu se me nko me am se ni me trefi ada me ni afre me kan se esi entrefi
go ba bi se bi aka akra
nko ba je sa bita kuma se ni
okay
ye
tie de se nyame ade mo 15th September and a crater ya making a bar bonting. That's ye. Yami Admoa, Thursday, September 18th. Thursday, yes. Kineben cried the better swama is and a fee. Yet you me I said ye a handsome so AC at your home. 18th September. Yami Admoa Ochina. Yes, say, and I quote Menchia Palace wishes to remind the general public that there will be restriction on movements during the day and night of Thursday, September 18th, 2025 till during the day and night of Thursday, September 18th, 2025. No kwase mo muni se menshia na krata ifili batie or say schools and markets are to be closed during the day. Schools and markets are to be closed during the day. The answer schools where they are buying schools.
Okay.
And then get private schools. And then get training centers. And then get extra classes. Schools. Any form of school. Any school.
Any
form of school, a school. Akwada open any form of school. It is school where you move any. Say be I made me training be I want me shop, I'm a hairdressing. Me say or see schools. This whatever school is school is school.
The share be uncle so.
What's about them idea what them crack close to? That is the fun side of it. But then or see schools. Eti uba YouTube no so a kinebe de letter na to ho de amawo Katachi FM TV letter ne da ho se he bani wo ko nani mo di asem nie hwani ma bi esa ne na mase ho ne ade yi na enkrata de mun sensem ni nyina ne so de san de mase asem be krani bra YouTube no so na de be hwa ade Katachi FM TV YouTube Facebook ne ye Katachi live bra ho de behere niam ne nsenkyere ne se bani wo ye sa kronfom ba wi awade anu ani ada ho enti odi be kan wa chechirim odi asempa me kan wa chirim Menchia Palace wishes to remind the general public that there will be restriction on movement during the day and night of Thursday 18th September 2025
yeah akrata no e kan nyina ne se fikasie Menchia e da betu dwa se yame adom o kira omo de ehye ato I friends say baby a
akoni abedi
yes
okay
omo de night yes anopa ene anwumre okay omo de
eda mu ne
eda no kwa ya wada
de chieni anajo
mo se anopa yi na anopa no ne anwumre ni nyina no omo de
chieni anajo
day and night in our Bible. Or say schools and markets are to be closed during the day.
Yes, or say and then daytime the schools and then marketing in the into two.
It's who was central market.
Yes. The market are to toast. Yatum, eduan de yatum.
Tonne.
Schools be also.
Okay, you're going. Or say banks, pharmaceutical stores. fuel stations, restaurants, and transport service providers are exempted from any restriction of movement during the day.
Enyumekoya wabobosi banks sika krabia ebi e kreska pharmacy baby e tonduru and a lorry terminals ahodo and the fuel station baby e bu petrol
restaurants
and aduane
restaurants
yes baby e to aduane ne sa ndema about the one ka ho because they are very essential
from any restriction of movement during the
daytime no daytime no banks yentum first baby a toll through because obeti ayare
yes
and lorry terminals ahodo and restaurants a toll through yes it is daytime no dey that come from only daytime
I know daytime and you break out
there be only
pharmacy no ba
yes it
driver for no ba paul
do wa aduane bi to a koton ntem
okay yentie. The following utility and essential service providers are excluded from any restriction of movement and are allowed to perform their duties without any hindrance on the night of Thursday, September 18th. The following utility and essential service providers are excluded from the restriction of movement and are allowed to perform their duties without any hindrance on the night of Thursday, 18th September 2025.
Yes. Thursday na nyumbre na anajo na yesi obi anda no ye ofu bi ho no ma omode oso mutimi koye
ye ka so bona ande enka ho omonka ho
because BBC oso mutimi ko no
so ofo no e na be gbo mudi. Yes. Electricity Company of Ghana ECG mamu kodumu kane yanka say yesi obi anya adwuma enka bo enfa bo yesi mo nya adwuma
40 si na bia metimi akwa akoye mamu ka say mo ndem ba de enche yesi obi MP betimi akwa akoye
eti ECG for them enhia se
yes
ekina na dwo ya wada na dwo no
BBC be
dia betimi aye adwuma
kokoye mo se wata de koye adwuma
tie
ofu pool
yes koye na dwo no wakoso eje kodumu kane enhia menhia
ya bi enka say
akrofo na buwo no ko mo body agia no adum kane ase menhia so obi anya adwuma ECG for mo nka ho
ya bi
kina na dwo
to be transfer bedroom amoko hwe na moko
yes
mama ka say nyumre si bo
say we say on bedroom kane abankrofo akowia nkrofo no mo se menhia say
ko prepare nkrofo
akrofo no so mutie mo be fa ho ye chewa o be fa wo ko dudum kane de ahye ECG
actually they pensu boja dodo e nsuo fra
yo wo se Ghana Water Company
yes nsuo so ho hia
anajo no mo so mo nka ho
obi nsuo twa akoko hwe
mo nya adwuma
moko ye adwuma
Ghana Water Company menhia se mo nka ho Ghana Fire Service personnel
wow ejato baby a mo nka se adwumre no yesi mo obi ananti da mo ko na mo ye
adwuma fere na yesi
mutu fire tender
mo se yesi ba ye bie mo de mo nti
menhia se
pota ho
edi se mo ni bi anhia menhia Fire Service chana mo ka Ghana Ambulance Service personnel
yes very 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 important because people kwani ehu hia
who said what am busa
eti ya frem a emergency ya frem a men ka say bo wow fa
obi ko ji a o say ai
na fa no ka
o say dey enka da bi
and also just consent we ambulance driver go ba bi a ko tu car no ko na ho
mo bie to na obi anti wa hola
and of the Ghana Health Service personnel
yes
obi biara a wo ye apoblie adwuma
de
a wo duty o ade ye ka wo duty wo duty a na de wo duty akone na babonten
wo duty akodwuma
fa o card tu ko sa adwuma yi nyina no ayese covid bre so enti reverend na de obu anu no me de my ma fam de
enti etiefo nhye no so na fe obi a nso emfantu nakoma so
fikasie mu frɛ ye ne ya
pani na akasa
ye ka yo
wona kroni ye on de no omo na akasa no enti sɛ wote ne ete saa de a wadaroma baby atumi won mpani se akyinjie bi ani ho emra bi ani ho so tetere safo wi no ene du sabria mame ntufo nkyerɛ sɛ du sabria so a ebinom de ho jim enti breble ama amane ama wo de ane setena ofie angopɔ de nkwa kyɛw na sɛ yawada twam a to abra bɔ so
fa wo kɔji mi wa ga amane
no na mekan kan ho asɛ mesrew saa nkɔfo ya bɔ so wonyam adwuma bia bi wo mu a da
o de mboko
we holiday ne dia
ya se ka ye se na ka media no so hyem bi na ka ya da
ohun sa
so aja bed
so nyina am so sense uti nyina ka ho nti utimi so ni ho free man nyi
yesi day and night o
ai
yo yate edi reverend mentane me ho na afei yefa eye efa me ho no na obo ni tawtaw free on the discussion ye ko
ye boy papa
yes sir
ye boy tawtaw
tiawa edi tisim ne ko
ebra so say dey fam ho dwumadi na be so mo amansada roso okatachi 90.9 medin adi wodi asempa me ne me producer champion mogas awo den de ni o teche bibia e koso kama e wona eno be se me share tiefo bo no ye be wram e wo manhia de doti ye no day 2 no ho sensem no ye de begu wani mo ho no abrafo no bi akasa na eno ana emotions wo so in fact eduru baby that de pass opem so ye be bo me beti bia ye obedwe ba na eno ade na no ede na no ede papa ye de ho nsem eti bra katachie live e wo Facebook so be hu bibia e wo ho no ma enya se na apostle Joseph na no ne ba ma ne se 77 years no free mu na ebi makwa akosra no akrobeto akasa afa ho ono se da kora pa ba ko pa and other the former president na Akufo Addo so ewure mu ho no ma eneti e de ho nsem no da abrantie bi so aye fridge aye fridge bi that last story crap no enya latafu ye ko ho no ma asem yesi wo enya me ba ewiase ye hu ewiase pa wa enya abotra ba yenyo enti nya me ba se mere ho ba ye ngura mu tem na ye ko
tisimi yanko
dano friend say na wotwe atwa mo na se bosu me atwam ne ye ba ama ne kire mu dada se doti ye be koso e share date kama se na hema na hema au free mu sante hema ye be na yi kama ho na no Monday no ana day 1 na enu abrada na day 2 ache se na adwumade na ekoso amamra ne amane no etwagum de na yehu obrani ba ko nyame ba na we de ado adi o na uhu brani pa oda ho ya ya se kani ye busa ne se na ye se nya wada he no obi ampie na sei na wo ka ade a kire asantema ene wo mo beti kwase krom ye ntie nsem a obrani ne tudwa Chill life e wo Facebook wo be hu brani no he was say yawada wo de all your bema na oba wo de pi na no wo de all your bema was wo de pi na do back at live e wo Facebook ana YouTube no see Katache FM TV wo ba ha be hu brani e warning ana o de ama wo de egu so e kan wo de ya so brache that de pi Demauti. Ejina se nyame ba won de soro kuna obredi no ede ama ye se wo de bodem di crowd de pie na hwa ade
ba wodi ba de ba ko se asante amamre nko na bodamfo nyina ebedu anyuma hu bodam di ba okronkrom
ya bodamfo
na se wa ko bi de
obisi so say amusi ya na honhom ne pam mo ma jatu because am wa say normally dey mun na ma say ba do won kwan so bia na omo so ko yes
odi body tell you ko
na edward da jibede de koso ana ohekase wo tina pakam na gugum oba betrase afi wo hwede e ko na ense jabe ba we ense be kasa aba from kakra because na enra emotions ne kosoro pa because wo ye ka akiri apem so wo ye ka akiri nim ya panyi na afrim si aka ono nko a si aka ne ba me ko ne papa ko nim ya panyi ko si aka ono nko a ne ohwe ɛne amammerɛ ne nneɛma ɛkɔ so dwom no ɛyi na ano ɔde na ɛsɛ ɔbɔ n'ani live.
Okay.
The chill live on Facebook.
Young boy.
That's it. Bushes no that I know I did papa by in fact a arrows. Now, remember Apostle Safo Kantanka. No, to Safo video that the hodom.
Yes.
That and brother and why.
Yeah.
Oh. That's at 10 but what?
Okay.
We see that or he can see a pa that when they did that.
Odi yanko
eti that there Ekotoba Kateche live on Facebook wa obeye video ni nyina bi ahwe live on and YouTube no so Kateche FM TV Kateche FM TV obeye bibia ahwe wala na Apostle Ko Joseph Dado kwesi ada no e dey ba frame me say confirm papa no da me ato ne nsa afre no na ewe be kwa be ba wo ne wa say head politician bi ansi wo no agwa kaka sem bi ada nso mo ma so no aya na nte kasa bia ho edra former president of Ghana.
Okay.
Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo Oremu Hodom Ekoche Abusua no. And o dey nsem bi etuja. O say no na oye no lawyer. And that's obe papa no pa je say then bibia eko na me dia wenti amwa ama di media. Ti yentie nsem a president of former president.
Kristo asafotani Kristo na utiti sema mtoka nchini na sime enwe msaposani ya ndoa efisami kusile efisami na bisi na kutufamu neza sampo bia enten pasa bia and when she branch and ba Satano University and the graduate of the university and joined smart one. Some so yellow,
Eti na former president Ewurem Ewo Apostle Ko Joseph the Kantanka the fee ekomo mo hyede ana o kire se no ne na yonko fa na se ne emu edene esi etie ewo hon ma we ne se be free the former president so ya be kan sare so no o mentor Sara Joseph ma onu ba be MP e be deputy majority leader e be gender minister e say e ja say keto kwa minim de tewe na yabeba Apostle Ko Joseph nsensem ya and the actor across aka who knows tomorrow olo ekopiem wa say na akora pa no satabada he soap concert party jira so pa no offense Kristo Asafo that's why kwasa na fe no Kristo Asafo na party na akometu egwo papa then owurem ne ba pa no so na mo anoma ntimi twa adwonso obo akometu bo ameboa owurem ho no dey nsem bi atudwa afa papa no wo se papa no de na o ya ache de ba Ghana yenti nsem o kai
and so ono de oba se obema Africa yanso ya de yo chichi Ghana eti abibia no ade o ye mfidi do ma o ye nyina masa o se obeyi ekum afam fo mission de bae no because change obeyi ekum afam fo mo tede ye betia SSC ka ade fo ye kura mo ye say ya o te Ghana ya ko be fisi ba se onya to me be I can do speed ya kwende you slow eti ono si o de no be ya sa ade de no approve say the honam e ye tuntum ya twen e ye tuntum enti enso beti aye enti so no timi ya wo ko ho
enti we ene nsema akrobeto ede tudwa efa papa no ho in fact o papa akrobeto de be obejira bia o papa pendi be ojira bia o papa pendi ene papa no eti be fe na jameba technical events Accra Technical University student bi enu an ye de ifo de bae bo amanfo de bae then the Technical University Accra wa ye freja or this solar aboso fridge ɛyi a ɛbɛtɔn ɔmo de tɔn ɛyi bi no ɛna ɔde solar panel abɔ so a in fact aberanteɛ no say next kojú safofoɔ no ɔmo pie na ɔmo pie no ti yɛn tie sɛneɛ na yɛn hwɛ sɛneɛ si kojú bra ɔde bra mo pɛ sɛ ohun sɛneɛ ade si tia katakye light of Facebook so ya bibi ada hɔ nom.
What is this? This is a mobile refrigeration system, right? So we took inspiration from our yogurt vendors, right? You see, those people, it's only the cats that their staffs are inside. So when they go out there and the sun shines, melt it, they don't have any means to, keep their energy, right? Energy efficiency. So we were like, you see, right now, if anyone wants to buy fan ice or something, we want blog or something like that. Let me use that way. So no one wants the melted one. So okay, why don't we bring an innovative idea that will help them in their business? So we thought of using the solar, and you see, we use solar and a battery. However, the solar is looking at this weather. There's no way the solar can power the machine. So we use solar and battery. So whether rain or shine, we'll be able to power their machine. So this one, someone will ask, where are the coils? That's the evaporator and the condenser. This one we didn't use evaporator and condenser. We used Peltier, right? Okay. So Peltier is a device. It has both sides. One side gives the cooling, while the other side gives the heating. So the cooling side is in here, right? So you see, we cut it, and the cooling side is here, and this is the hot side that will bring the heat outside. So basically, it's a refrigeration system or a fridge coated.
Your last story I did to Nigeria and Ghana.
Okay.
Go do Nigeria. Mammy be sitting Nukunu. They be our who know about her and them. They be over who know about her and them. And Brebra Mamma, our conto, qua, bread. I feel don't know. I thought they got it. It's any what first kind. Actually, we are to go. And then the baby walk with them. And the pay with them of Fanchay. And why another YouTube listen? Yes, or what? How could you just go back at a chair to light off your Facebook?
Katachi FM TV, bra YouTube no so da so. And you oh, when they was here to go back one time you don't know. That's so come. To your Facebook no Katachi live live. And some of and allow to pay me. Okay. I said plan me there about some and hold on. Okay. And so right. Yeah, see her. Okay. Yes, yeah, number channel. Only you go so that number channel say to be biana. Hey, also can't. Say I'm proud there alcohol. Only on her yes and Johnny. Then anyway, no. Say it's I am more accreditation. I am more accreditation so be there. But you are then you brother the one fan come. Aha. Because meeting me a PBO. It's your wedding come over and son no. Yanko a year hour of favor multimedia. Yeah. Is that when you are dropping live? Yeah. What's it from? Hour of favor. Yes. Multimedia. I'm telling you. Is it multimedia? Yes.